Hi, hello, sir. Trina, sir. How are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine. Good evening.
Uh,
I went election training program at Ichapuram.
oh,
So
yeah.
after completion of the training program, I came here and just taking rest here on the
Okay.
banyan tree.
Yeah, sir. This is Banyan Tree. So now we
So
are going to have a small conversation, communication, impromptu.
so
Yeah.
yeah. So just we can make an impromptu video here, sir.
Here. So there may
yeah,
be some mistakes may be correct.
yeah.
And please don't mind. And because without preparation, that what we call impromptu.
Prompt.
Impromptu. Okay.
Impromptu.
Impromptu.
So when we make one plan, without plan, that is called impromptu.
Yeah.
Impromptu. So
Yeah.
if some people speak then and there, that is called impromptu.
Yes.
So yes, we met here. We are going to chit chat.
Yes. Without preparation. Yeah. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Govind English Teacher. Today a great interesting personality is with us and he is Tinasa, the teacher of English language. Now he is with us and he is going to share his views regarding nature, how nature helps to develop one's creativity, fluency, language ability, all the things. Sir, how do you feel, sir? Because see, wherever you see around our surrounding is very beauty's glance. It is everywhere is beauty with the greenery, everything. You can see, you can observe. We are in the lap of the nature and nature's lap. It's very beautiful. So I have used the word beauty's glance. In this juncture, our speaker, Trinasar, is going to talk about nature. Yeah, please talk
Hello
about
sir, Govind sir, how are you? After so long, we are going to making another video for your channel. Thank you and okay, how are you?
I'm fine, good, great, wonderful, excellent,
So,
fantabulous. Yeah.
How did your students write examinations?
Yes, all my students wrote very well.
So,
Yes.
so very glad to meet you today. I am going to speak about our nature. Nature's big school of our human being. This is we can learn many things from the nature. Nature teaches many lessons to us. So nature is the uh, 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 when we see the nature when it is less green, our heart amusing, and we have lot of thoughts to write poetry and something else, and it helps the we can develop our language skills by seeing the nature. Okay, sir. Nature is big teacher to us. Nature teaches many dimensions of life. See this one green. It helps us breathing.
Yeah.
It gives us life, and when we harm to it, though we thought to harm it, but it indirectly helps us,
Yes.
and it gives oxygen, fruits, wood, everything, whatnot. So without tree, we can't live on the earth. So nature is great. It is one kind of God. So that our ancient people worshipped nature.
Yeah,
So
nature is
today
our
also
teacher,
yes.
nature is our future.
Yes,
Yeah, if not,
nature,
yes,
yes, nature is our future. Nature without tree we can't live. Without water we can't live. Without sun is also part of the nature. Sun is there, no? It gives the energy. Sun gives the energy. So today we are using energy from the solar. That is called solar energy, widely used throughout the world to control the pollution, to control the global warming. And so this is the nature. Nature, we have lot of resource from this nature. We get the minerals from the earth. We get the energy from the earth. So whatnot, everything from the nature we get. So our earth is very big gift to us.
So in our Puranas
So,
we call
yes.
yeah.
So that our ancient people, our forefathers, worship the nature and we follow them. For example, there is a cobra is there, no? Today we are worshipping it.
Yeah.
So because so it keeps the why we worship the snakes? Snakes keeps the crops safe.
From the rats.
Yeah, from the, not only rats, some insects also. Pesticides it controls.
Yes, yes.
A pesticide doesn't spread over the fields. Thus the snakes, how when it hissing, it emits the poison and into the air. The when poison spread over the air, the pesticides may die.
Yeah.
So that is the main reason to worship
Nature.
worship snakes.
Yes, yes.
Mainly farmers follow this.
Generally, farmers built a small temple for the
Yes.
snakes. That is
Snakes,
Vellama Gudi.
fields.
Vellama in Sanskrit is the snake.
Yes. So nature, see, LMI is we neem tree also worship. Neem tree also worship because it gives good oxygen to us.
Yeah.
So it cures some diseases. And mango tree. So why should
We
hang the
mango leaves
mango leaves at the threshold?
because it gives oxygen 24 hours.
Yes, it gives the oxygen, good oxygens we get from that leaves. That is the main reason. But our children feels that it is
Superstition. It's
some
not
scientific
superstition
reason.
to worship the
There is
nature.
a scientific reason to
Yeah.
worship every nature. Nature is the good to everyone. So we should keep, we should protect, we should give the security to the nature. Nature gives us good life. It also secures us.
Because of our innocence, because of our ignorance, because of for our selfishness, we are cutting trees and we are dismantling, destructing, dismay and disturb the nature. When you disturb nature, what will happen? It will repent. It will take some revenge.
Yes.
So that's reason to live
No,
happy
that's
life,
that-
we should protect the nature.
So man, in the name of developing man and destroy the nature, he deforested and dig the earth. These are the causes to the calamities,
Yeah.
earthquakes, and sunstorms, everything, whatnot, and desertation, lack of rainfall. Everything it causes when man cuts the tree in the name of development. So many thousands of trees were cut down, so that we should, if we cut one tree, we should replant that place one tree.
So there is saying,
Then-
cut a tree is cut a human being.
Yes.
Yeah. To hurt a human being. Yeah,
Yes,
there is saying.
cut a tree,
Is hurt a human being.
hurt a human being.
Yes.
So that this man harm to the nature. Nature never harms to anybody.
Yeah.
Never harms. It is boon. Man doesn't understand it. Nature.
So nature is our teacher, nature is our future.
So that today's global warming and sea rising. When global warming increases in the air, all the snow hills are melt down and rising sea water levels rising and low areas land is dipped in and submerged in the sea.
Yeah. So in this juncture, what we have to do is we have to protect around our surrounding, that is nature. So by protecting nature, that means we will have a bright future. So it is our humble request. Please protect the nature to live happy, to give a bright future to the other.
Keep
yes.
the nature, it will keep you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Trina, sir, for coming to my live session
Thank
and
you,
giving
thank you,
valuable
Doctor.
sessions. Actually, friends, we had just
This is
we created this video for the sake of fun, without second thought. We have interacted then and there without preparation, just on the meeting some place, and Ranvi, you can say, just we talk like this. And please share and subscribe our channel. Yeah.
This is the impromptu video.
Yeah. Yes.
suddenly we prepare without preparation of the. So this talking is only then and there.
Yes.
It is not prior
Yeah.
arrangements
Prior
talking. It is
prepared. Yeah. Yes.
impromptu video.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
watch
you.
it,
Thank you, sir.
watch it, gives the like.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.